Welcome to Chinadivision. To help you manage your cross-border logistics efficiently, today we will guide you through how to accurately track and query your order fulfillment information in our system. After logging in, click on the Orders page in the sidebar. Here, you can get a clear, real-time view of the processing status for all your packages. Efficient filtering is the first step to success. You can search based on two key time dimensions: created date, to track records from when the order was first generated; fulfilled date, to check when the warehouse completed the packing and shipping process. In the Search Info dropdown, we offer a wide range of search parameters. You can enter a tracking number to follow a shipment, or use the recipient's name, country, city, or zip code for a flexible search. Furthermore, you can categorize and filter orders by shipping method or dispatch warehouse. You can also use the status tabs at the top to switch between different stages of the order lifecycle, from approving and packaged to awaiting shipping and shipped, or even checking canceled orders. Every step of the process is under your control. If you encounter any order discrepancies, simply copy the platform order number or the system order ID and contact our dedicated customer service team. We will investigate and resolve the issue for you immediately. Powered by Chinadivision. Thanks for watching.